everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. We are making a healthy, hearty minestrone soup today, and we will be using our LYNQ Empowdered.
So this recipe starts with a little bit of olive oil just to cover the base.
Then we are going to add 1 cut up onion, 3 cut up celery sticks. We cut up 5 carrots, so we're going to add the carrots in. We are going to put it on the stove and saute it
for about 5 minutes. We're also going to add 1 chopped red pepper, 3 potatoes.
We are going to now add the Empowdered,
2 tablespoons, a can of peas, a can of corn, some chopped parsley, dried thyme, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 bay leaves, 2 canned tomatoes diced, but you keep the liquid inside, don't drain it. Last but not least, chicken stock, but you can use vegetable if you want, it's up to you. Now we're just gonna heat it up. We're gonna have it boil, simmer. Probably in about an hour, we will come back and give it a shot and taste it.
So the soup is ready.
Here we go. It's a very good, typical minestrone soup, but it tastes fresh, I have to say. I would add a little bit of salt, but other than that,
it's just missing a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah.
And then I think,
but it's good.
But
I think our kids
good.
will like this one too. Yeah, very good. See you
guys next time.
Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.